Yes, hello, welcome back to Dunk School Tutorials. Today we're going to look at how to export music files from iPhone or iPad or iOS devices, or maybe iPods and everything, to the PC. So first of all, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, if you're new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell button for notifications on every update or every other video, every other tutorial that I will be posting on this very channel every other time. Okay, let's get into it. First of all, you have to download 3U Tools software. Okay, this is a software that helps to do a lot with iOS devices. So right now, go to Google, type in 3U Tools software, and then download it. After downloading it, install the software, open it up, and then connect your phone, your iDevice, your iPhone, your iPad using a USB. Connect it to your PC. Maybe you're using a laptop or a desktop. Yeah, you connect the two devices, the PC and your iPhone or iPad, using your USB. After that, open up here. I've already connected mine. You'll come here to your music. This is all my music. So it's very simple steps. After going after connecting your iPhone, it automatically opens up. You make sure you close your iTunes. Make sure this tab is ticked so that you close your iTunes, not to interrupt the system of the software. After that, maybe you want to export your videos. Maybe you want to export your books, more files. As long as you want, you can always export. Maybe you want to export your photos, anything, you can do it from here, apart from applications. Okay, so right here I'm going to show you how to export your music. Go here, select everything. After selecting it, the export button comes in here. It lights up. Right now it is grayed out, but if I select all the music that I want to export, it grays out. Okay, I'm going to export maybe these are, most of them I've already exported them, so I already have it. For the purposes of this very tutorial, I'm going to export these two files. After selecting the files I want to export, click export. Select the directorate or the folder that you want those files that you're exporting to be in. Let me put them here in 3U Tools folder on top. Okay, then I can say okay, succeeded. To music export succeeded. I can open the folder to find where they've gone. It's right here. It's coming home and consuming fire. These files in my PC already are in iTunes, so these are the files I've exported. You can play them and check if they are working. Okay, there you go, they are working. Yeah,
I'd like to welcome you all.
So as you can see, it just takes very simple steps. As long as you have your USB, and as long as you download the software. It's not a big software to download. It's close to 100 MBs, the size of the software, so it's not that big. It's affordable. You can download it freely on Google and use it, and it will help you. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly click the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell for notifications so that you will not miss any single tutorial that will be posted on this very channel. Thanks again. See you then.